Hi guys! This is Ason's Adventures and Travel. Ayan. I'm going to Camrose para mag-ice fishing po with my friends. Alma, Kevin, Sheriff BN, and the rest. So parang picnic lang ito guys. And at the same time, mag-ice fishing. And of course, I have Buffy with me. Hi Buffy, come here. Hello Buffy. Buffy. And a little bit windy, but I don't know there if windy guys, so I'll keep you updated. See you guys. Here now at Tim Hortons in Camrose and waiting for my friends. Ayan, so I got here earlier than them, and Buffy's crying. Buffy, hello. She's crying. She always do that. Ayan guys, and maybe they will be here soon. Malapit na lang naman yung yung Pleasure Island, so I'll just wait for them here kasi hindi pa sila nakapunta doon, so dito na kami guys ni Buffy. Ayan. Finally, we meet each other. This is She and Alma, and Kevin is there. Hindi, video to. Ayan. Order na. Hi Kevin, how are you?
I'm so full.
How are you?
I'm so full.
Antok na? Gutom?
Gutom.
I have spaghetti.
Yeah, I'm so full.
I know she's gutom because she's grumpy.
She's
As soon as I turn a different way than what she had in mind,
really?
and if you don't follow those orders,
Yeah.
okay,
Okay. But you should
is it true, dear?
because she has a full of
Shirley is my witness. You've seen it.
she
If I
has
don't do exactly what you say right there, it's like,
you know why? She has full of gas.
no, she's not full of gas.
From there, from there and there. Both ways.
She's the boss.
Yeah, it's coming from there.
She's always the boss.
Yes, we are. How many rods you got, Cora?
2. Yeah, I got 2. Ayan, kailangan tanggalin ito kasi pag hindi tinanggal ito, mamumuo ulit. Itatarhan ng butas. Ingat kayo sa cellphone nyo. Buffy's crying now. It's windy. My gosh, yesterday no wind. So wrong. I hope it will change later. Yeah. Ikaw, darling. Hindi tayo pumunta. Ayan, tingnan nyo po. We caught one! Small but terrible! Kunin pa rin natin yan.
Kunin pa rin,
Sayang.
okay.
Pang-prito na rin yan,
pwede
siya.
Gamay, but she said we'll take it.
Ayan, ang dami namin food. We have barbecue, we have the tuyo.
Sayang, wala
Yan, and pipino. Oh my God.
Ito,
The spaghetti, buns. What's that?
kanin.
Rice. Oh, we have a stone, the heater. Ayan, may pang heater kami. Oh my gosh.
Mayroon pa dito. Mayroon pa dito.
Okay, let's eat. Oh,
Hey, it's getting cold.
God.
You want to eat it cold? Come on, go
Oh,
ahead.
masarap. Grabe. See?
Oh, sige.
Yan, I like that too with the pataba.
Para, hindi naman kagutom.
Ayan, please give me one.
Ang daming nating pagkain.
Ayan, pengi ako isa. Uy, yummy!
Itong maganda pa.
Yan, masarap yan. Ayan, so we're not ready for this kind of weather. We thought it's just a good one. No wind, but there's a storm.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's eat. Ayan guys, tapos na kaming kumain and ay, ako lang pala and Alma's still eating. Ayan. Miss Beautiful Alma and of course our lady there, very beautiful too. Ayan, yan yung sexy naming kasama.
Dati yun, dati yun.
Dati ba?
Nung ala,
So anong tawag natin dito? Stone
fire ring.
Stone fire?
Fire ring.
Ha?
Fire ring.
Fire ring. Ayan guys, so kasi ang ginaw.
Wala.
Sige lang, kain ka lang.
Sabi ko, ano maubos eh.
Kain lang. Ayan si Rochelle is from Vancouver.
Galit na yung hangin.
Oo nga.
Kain tayo, guys.
Ayan, we don't know if we will stay longer here because of the wind. It's blowing so
Ay, nakita ko yung
hard.
tuyo sa plato niya. Kaya,
Ayan, so I think in just a few minutes more, we're gonna go home. But of course, we're gonna come back. I have a fishing buddy now there. And the other lady here, ayan. Yes, so we're supposed to have a game, but we can't do it today. Ayan, yung mga pagbusog na talaga, meron ng energy.
Pag naupo yan. Pag naupo. Takot ako. Pag tumayo, baka putas sa'yo. Baka putas sa'yo upuan.
ako tita, inaantay ka ng silang dalawa. Sila.
Ay nga.
Bakit naman?
Kita na mo ito ng iba.
Ang tagal ko na dito, wala akong yung nabibili naman kasi sa no? Saan ka bumibili, Alma? Sa Asian store?
Galing pa yung Pinas.
Oo, di
Saka
ba?
nagbibili ka, doon ako sa ate ko natuto. Bili
Oh.
kayo walang kaliskis.
Ah. Bakit?
Para hindi ka namang aliskis.
Grabe na kasi supot. Sabi ganun nila. Lagot tayo dito.
Walang support.
O sige, anong tanong?
Are you circumcised? Yun ang una kong tanong. Tuloy ka o hindi? Sabi niya 100% to the top.
Ayan guys, we're done for today and I caught 3 and Cheryl almost caught 1 but it goes back to the hole. So we're going home now. Thank you for watching Aeson's Adventures and Travel.
They need to tow the truck or one of his pets, and he waited and finally they called him around 11. I don't know anyway. I don't know. And he doesn't get paid extra because he's on salary.
Ano kaya nangyari dito?
Big accident.
Oh my god.
So they need to investigate from there to the next.
Mukhang may nasaktan na.
Yeah, it looks like there's a squished vehicle.
Oo nga. Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Oh, may mga tao pa sa loob oh. Nasa gitna.
Shit, may naipit.
Nasa gitna, no?
Yeah, nandun pa sa vehicle.